Alright, what's going on everybody? Thanks for tuning back in, and today's video is going to be on how to install some crossbars on a Subaru WRX STI. This will range in the years from 2015 and up to the current version or model being the 2020. So just like any other video that I post, I'm going to show you what comes inside the box, what hardware comes with the actual parts, then I'm going to show you what tools are required to tackle the actual installation, and then last but not least, I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to properly install that. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so here is the box in which the crossbars come in. I had these, or I ordered these on a website. The link is down below. And just picked these up from my dealership, just due to the fact it's a lot faster to have these ordered, sent to the dealership, and then pick them up rather than have it sent to your house. There's pros and cons to it. If you want it mailed to your house, you can. I didn't want to though. I kind of went the cheap route because I think just to get these mailed or shipped to my house, it was like almost $40 or $50. So, and then I would have had to wait almost another week just because of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and I just didn't want to mess with it. So easy thing, order offline, had it sent to the dealership and pick it up. Either way, as you can tell, I already cut the tape off just to make sure that before I open this up, everything's still in one piece as it was. So I already got eyes on before you actually did, but either way, here come the crossbars. You got the front and the rear. You get a nice little bag with some installation instructions. As I'll be going through on the installation, I will have these little images posted on the top right hand corner. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with a Torx head screwdriver. It's going to be a T30. And then you're going to receive 4 bolts to actually mount these on the vehicle. So other than that, besides 2 crossbars, 4 bolts, and a Torx head screwdriver, and a set of installation instructions, this all comes inside this box. And again, the part number is going to be listed down below, just in case you want to order these exact same ones. So these are the tools that I'm using today for this installation. Not saying necessarily you need these, but these are the ones that I'll be using. I'm gonna have a plastic pry tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but just be cautious because you have the possibility of scratching your paint. This came included with the actual crossbars. It's a Torx T30 screwdriver. I will have a T30 socket right here, as well as a ratchet extension and a torque wrench, just due to the fact that at some point you will have to torque these down to specification.
Okay, here are the first couple steps. First thing you're going to do is you're going to push that tab in. That's going to give you access to that T30 bolt. Once you unscrew that T30 bolt, that's going to allow you to take that plastic cover off. Now keep in mind, you're going to have to do that on both sides though. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is you're going to have to open up those tabs with your pry tool. The instructions say to open all 4 at once. You don't have to do that. You can open the front, install that crossbar, and then work your way to the back. Next, you're just going to clean the area where the tabs are at, just so when you install it, there's no dirt or debris under there, and you have a nice clean surface to work with. Now you're going to take the crossbar, you're going to put it on top of the vehicle, and all you're going to do is you're going to align the ends of the crossbar with that open hole where you just open that tab on the vehicle. Okay, once the holes are aligned, you can take that T30 bolt and you can screw that crossbar down to the vehicle. If you look at the top right hand corner, it's going to have a diagram telling you which hole to choose. The best way or the easiest way to put this is the hole that is closest to the actual front windshield. That is the hole you want to use. Once you figure out what hole that is, all you're going to do is you're going to hand tighten that down, because after this you're going to have to torque it down to a certain spec anyways. Now, as you saw, I had some pry tools in the weather stripping, and the only reason I had that in the weather stripping is because the holes only on the passenger side did not want to align with the crossbar. So I kind of had to play around with it. Once I got it actually aligned, I was able to put that bolt in there and then again tighten it down hand tight. Next, you're going to have to torque each bolt down to 60 to 75 inch-pounds. Next, you're going to take that cover, you're going to put it back on the crossbar, then you're going to take that bolt, and then you're going to torque it down to 30 to 35 inch-pounds. And then after that, you're going to close that tab.
All right, so there we go. Just showed you how to install some crossbars on a Subaru WRX STI. Showed you what comes inside the box as far as the parts and the hardware. I showed you what tools are required for this installation, and then last but not least, I showed you from start to finish on how to properly install these inside or on your vehicle. Now, I got it, some of you are like, you didn't do the rears or you didn't show me the rears. Well, not to waste your time, nor waste my time, I showed you the fronts because the rear are exactly mirror image as far as the installation goes. But for any reason you don't feel comfortable or you have a question about it, just down below, just leave me a comment and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Now, if you did like the video though, do me a favor, give me that thumbs up please. Also, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe, turn on notifications because I will be posting more videos on this vehicle here in the near future. On that YouTube, that is it. Again, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take it easy.